Hello guys, I hope you're fine and doing well. Once again, welcome to Cyber AFG YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And today's lesson we are going to how to install Kali Linux and VMware Workstation. For this task we are going to our browser and type www.kali.org. Now you can see the Kali Linux official website. You can see the Kali Linux 64-bit installer torrent package, and the size of this is 1.6 GB. When you click on the Kali installer 64-bit, the download window will be open. We can easily download by clicking the OK. And now we have another website that's called VMware Workstation Pro. We type www.VMware Workstation Pro, and now the website is ready. We click free product and trials demo, and now demo, and we click Workstation Pro. And now when we click download now, you can download the Workstation Pro. When we click start download, the download will start, but I don't want to download because I already downloaded. Now we click the setup, double click, the installation will be ready. We click on next, and now I accept, and next, and next, and next, and next, and then install. Our Workstation Pro will be installed. How to activate? I copy the license key from here, uh, and I put it the license key in the required field, and click enter and finish. Our Workstation Pro is activated successfully, and now you can open the Workstation Pro from start menu like this. Now we are going to create the new virtual machine. We select create the new virtual machine, and then select next, and then we select the installer disk ISO. Right now I select no installer disk, and now I select the Linux, and here in version I select the Ubuntu 64-bit because I don't have the Kali in that list. And we will click after this on next, and here we are at the virtual machine name, and below and browser, where our virtual machine will be installed, we will select the location. I select and the drive D and create a new folder by the name of Kali. You can see easily Kali. Okay, and click the next, and here I add the size for my hard disk, virtual hard disk, sorry, and uh, click now next. uh, and here you can customize your hard disk, hardware specification. You can write here, select the memory, uh, and as you see my or my real PC memory is here. It is 12 GB, and I select here for virtual machine the 4 GB memory, and also from here I can select the processor from my virtual machine. I add this number. You can see in the screen you can add as how much you can processor. From here you can select the ISO file. Where is my ISO file? I select from it, and here you can see this is my ISO file. and now you can select bridge and net and the network and clicks OK and finish. And this is the simple step for creating a virtual machine. Now we are going to power on our virtual machine, and now we see it give us an error because we didn't activate our virtualization uh, in our computer. I click on OK, and now I close the virtual machine and restart my computer. After restart, now you see you can find the key for boot menu. My computer is HP. I press escape and then press the F10 for BIOS setup. After pressing the F10, my setup is ready. Now we come to the system configuration. And system configuration, you can see the virtualization technology. You see the in virtualization technologies we see the virtualization technology is disabled. We hit the enter and hit on enable the enter, and now we press F10. Yes, we are again restart our computer. Now our virtual machine is starting successfully. Now here I select the graphical install, and after graphical install I select the language, and now I select the location. Everywhere you can select, and I select the language for keyboard. And after this I think it detect our hardware, and we give the host name the Kali, and we don't have the domain name. Next, and here with lowercase letter you can give every name. I give the Kali Linux and continue. And in here now it wants us from us the password. We give the password, and here we continue. Now it wants the clock. We didn't need. We press on continue. Now it wants the partition. I select this option for partition because I don't want to partition manually. I want to automatically partition, and continue partition. And now we save the changes. Yes, and the installation is starting and progress. It belongs to your computer. If your computer has a large number of processor, and the installation will going to fast. And we don't have the proxy, and we continue. Now we see the packet manager give us the error. We came down, and we select the United States. Maybe and this will not give you an error. We select the continue. We select the selected option, and now again they want proxy. We don't have proxy. We continue. Click on continue. If again this error happen, we are going to back, and we select the yes and continue. The installation will be restart. and our installation will be going forward. And here they want you want to install all the softwares which exist in this disk. We select all of the existing softwares because when we didn't have the internet we cannot download every software individually. Because we selected the all softwares, we continue the installation. Because we selected all the softwares, it will get more time for installation. We should wait. Now in here they want, do you want to install bootloader? Yes, I want. We select the second option and continue. And this is the last click. We click on continue for finishing the installation. We are going to wait. Now our Kali Linux has been successfully installed, and we are going to see the loading and VMware Workstation Pro. Now here we see our user is Kali Linux. We already gave it, and our password is 12345. And now this is the Kali Linux installation into the VMware Workstation Pro. You can see for installing the full screen and VMware Workstation Pro, we are going to the Vim and select the VMware installing tools. Now we are going to open the disk and we want to extract this file. We move it but unable to move. We double click on this and now we see the file inside. It is not also unmovable. We execute the file and the execution will successful. Now show the folder and files, and now we open our terminal. We write the ls because we want to see what exists and this tool ls. Now we are going to cd VMware tools describe. Inside of VMware it exists that files, and we type this command for installing the VMware tools. Because we are not root user, we type the sudo for permission /VMware -install pl, and here they want password. We give the password, and initialization is going to start. And now this is the full screen and VMware Workstation Pro, we can see. And now we are close all the programs. Now here you can customize your size of VMware. You can select and try different options, and you can select full, customize, and different options. You can make